How to fix this build of Vanguard is out of compliance error VAN9003 in your Valorant. So this is going to be on your Windows 11. So I will also show you the fix for Windows 11. So search for Valorant and click on open file location. Once you are in, again go for file location just like so. Now once you are in, what you need to do is to simply go for the exe file, right click and go for its properties. Once you are in, go for compatibility and make sure to simply select your run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you're gonna need to select Windows 8 and then you just need to click on apply and hit OK. Now once you do so, try running your Valorant and see if this error fix or not. If not, you're gonna need to make sure to open up your BIOS and make sure to enable your secure boot. And once you are done, this is automatically will resolve itself. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix this build of Vanguard is out of compliance and error in Valorant Windows 11.